Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun food craft for Halloween. So first, we are going to start with the Oreo, and we're going to gently break it in half so that the cream stays on one side and the other side is blank. Next, we are going to get our pretzel sticks and just break each one in half. Now gently take one piece and push it so gently into the cream. I think we can see what this is beginning to become, a cute little spider. Now next, we are just taking the little morsels of milk chocolate and you're going to put it in a small melting dish. Next, you're going to take a small dab of this chocolate to secure the Oreo together. Now place the other side of the Oreo gently on top. Next, we're going to take the little eyes again and bring back our chocolate and place it onto the back of the eye. Just a small dab. Our cute little spider is coming together. Now next, we just need to take one more eye. And there he is. Isn't he just the cutest little treat for a Halloween party or just making little snacks to have on Halloween? I hope you guys get the chance to try out this sweet treat for yourself. Thank you for continuing to support Our Decorative Nest, and happy Halloween.